Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. We're going to talk about a price breakout, the possibility that it could be coming. Shiba Inu is starting to present some indicators from a technical analysis and charting standpoint. We're going to look at that with a piece of content that looks at that being a possibility. Okay, before we get to that, we'll talk about the price action and have a few other dialogues as well. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and as always, thank you for supporting my channel. All right, so right here, right now, Shiba Inu is trending down just a little bit. I think some of the indicators are that we've got a little bit of short-term selling pressure here. I'm looking at it as a buying opportunity. I did a video late last night before I went to bed and talked about the fact that if we dip down into like the 2.2s, 2.1 areas, that I'm probably going to be adding to my bag. And that's kind of how I'm looking at it, because it is bounced off of, SHIB has bounced off of a 2.1, kind of 2.2 area about 4 or 5 times in the last 10, 12 days, give or take. And like right here, so that's, I'm talking about 2.4, we're in the 2.4 range, so kind of in that 2.2, kind of 2.1 range is where we've kind of bounced back up. Fundamentally, I believe in the long-term viability of this project. Obviously, you guys know I cover SHIB every single day on my channel, and it's looking good from a long-term standpoint. Obviously, short-term pressure. I'm not worried about this. This is not a major sell-off. This is not a crash or anything like that. It's just it's a correction that sometimes happens. All right, I want to take a look real quickly at the number of holders. So yeah, we're at 729,600. We should pass into the 730,000 range today, which would be pretty cool if we did that. All right. Hey, before I move on, make you our Patreon links in the description below. If you want to help your portfolio, you want me to look at it, you want to be part of a community, you want some guidance, you want to see what I buy and when I sell and when I trade and when I'm holding my portfolio, click on the link in the description below. It'll take you to this page and you can read about all the benefits yourself. I keep it as cheap as possible. At 20 bucks, you can join and cancel at any time. And quite frankly, it's $20 worth it to you to maybe get a little bit of help, a little bit of guidance, and be part of a community, not be alone in your crypto journey. I talk about it every time because it's real simple. I genuinely want to help those that need and want help. Okay, so let's talk about this potential of a breakout. So SHIB price analysis, Shiba Inu hints at breakout of ascending triangle resistance amid token burning news. All right. So let me see real quickly. This is talking about the India listing. I covered that earlier this week in my in a video. So that's not what we want to look at right here. Let's see. Let me see. Right here, Shiba Inu weekly chart analysis. Okay, this is kind of the weekly chart. Again, October 13th. So this was actually a couple of days ago. A sudden increase in demand for the SHIB token triggered by regular bullish divergence on 6 September saw the price of SHIB soaring above the 9 August bearish divergent trend line. Okay, so the price surge started to cool off a bit upon striking the Polynex level, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so basically that's needed for the SHIB price to continue to a high of a 5. Okay, so the SHIB token holders are current of the current price hike as the RSI continues to soar above level 75 and level 25. So that's a really strong indicator, is that our RSIs are above those relative levels. So that's good news. Okay. So again, looking at kind of this price action, looking at the hint of a breakout. Okay, from the price action standpoint. From the charting standpoint. Okay. Okay, so slowly enters into a correction phase. So we see that. RSI above the 75 and 25 levels. Recent breakout of bearish insider resistance on 11 October. Good stuff. Okay, so they've also noticed a hidden bullish divergence as the SHIB price forms higher troughs while the RSI forms lower troughs on 7 and 12 October respectively. We'll get a clearer picture of the bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame analysis below. All right, yep. Okay, I'm kind of looking at here. Yes, it's starting to show kind of a trend of strengthening, getting a little bit higher troughs as it kind of started to look like it's kind of gradually inching up. Okay, obviously we've got a slowdown right now, and you know this we've dipped down in the standpoint of we've dipped a little bit more than probably what was indicated on that piece of content, but that dip could be another dip down to consolidate a little bit more and then again bounce back up. As far as my numbers and what I'm kind of looking at is the 2122 area. That is fundamentally our support level that I'm seeing that we've kind of stayed at, and if we bounce back off. If we bounce back to those levels, then that's probably where I'm looking to add some more to my positions, because again, we've hit that level about 4 or 5 times, and if we continue down, to that level, that's what I'm going to add. What I like about the case content I told you was the RSIs are looking really good, and we've got a little bit of a divergence down, but I want to pick up some more and move up from there, and yeah, that's how I see it. So, like I said, just a real quick look at TA technical analysis and that piece of content. I think fundamentally, this is probably a little bit of the correction that we've been kind of looking to see from the massive run up that we had earlier in this month, where we had 350+% gains, and so this is not a bad thing. Okay, you've got to have these corrections. You've got to have these kind of move downs to overall, just set the stage for the next kind of run. So with all that said, as always, thanks for the support, and I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.